The 5th of March, 2025. Dow Day Chart Analysis. Dow tumbled for a second day as Trump's tariffs left investors fearful of potential shockwaves for the economy. The blue chip average dropped 670.25 points, or 1.55%, building on Monday's plunge of nearly 650 points. The Dow ended the session at 42,520.99. The S&P 500 dropped 1.22% and closed at 5,778.15 after notching its worst day of the year in the prior session. The Nasdaq Composite lost 0.35% and finished at 18,285.16. At their worst levels, the Dow fell more than 840 points and the S&P 500 slid 2%. The Nasdaq had dropped more than 2% at its lowest and at points flirted with correction territory, a term that refers to an index falling 10% from a recent high. More than 4 out of 5 S&P 500 stocks ended the day lower. Tuesday's drop came after Trump instituted 25% duties on Canada and Mexico that took effect at midnight. He also slapped an additional 10% tariff on Chinese goods. China retaliated with additional tariffs of up to 15% on some U.S. products, while Mexican President Claudia Sheinbaum said the U.S. southern neighbor would respond with tariffs and other measures that would be announced this weekend. Market Technicals and Outlook. Dow Jones. Opening price, OP, 42,772. Mid-level price, MLP, 43,003, stacked with MA 200 at 43,009. Bullish scenario: if the Dow remains above OP, it could attempt to recover toward MLP, with MA 200 offering a potential resistance level. Bearish scenario: both KSI and KCX remain bearish, signaling potential selling pressure if the Dow breaks below OP. Pivot 1 at 42,728 is currently acting as support. A decisive break below this level could accelerate downside momentum. Nearest downside KCB sits at 42,295, a key level to watch if selling intensifies. Disclaimer: this analysis is for informational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice.